Alliances meet in the finals. They are so far off to a similar start. Red missing one coral, but 254 are back with a second and a third. And it looks like they almost get a fourth one scored. In the nick of time, it is blue who starts telling up with the advantage, but a narrow one. They will have to fight hard to keep that lead. Highlander on blue, grabbing algae from the reef, taking it over, scoring in the net, while Alliance partners Iron Claw and Pumpkin Bots work on scoring coral. But on the other side, Red is doing much the same and at a very quick pace. 254 scoring another algae in Red's net, while Crusaders and 2204 all working on scoring coral. Red has just filled out every level 4 branch, and they're already working on level 3. 254, ever since Autonomous, has been working almost entirely on algae, and they find a couple more there for the taking in front of them. Highlander Robotics trying to match them on blue. However, Red Alliance ahead and trying to pick up the pace. Highlander now on blue has turned to coral. Blue zone level 4 is entirely filled, so they and Iron Claw are scoring on level 3, while Pumpkin Bots are shuttling back and forth between the coral station and the trough. And in fact, on Red also, it is now all coral all the time, up by 20 points, but trying to make that more. Cheesy Poos, Crusaders, and Rambots all working on scoring coral. It is almost difficult for them to find an open branch now. 254 scoring in the trough, while Rambots place one more level 3 coral. But back on blue, trying to stay in this match. Highlander filling out another level 2 coral. 254 have turned back once again to algae. But with 30 seconds to go, a 25-point match, but the end game could determine the winner. One more algae from 254, and it does stay in the net. The Alliance still working on the last few pieces of coral. Now, and we are at the 20-second mark into our end game. 15 seconds and blue robots approaching the barge. On Red, 254 up in the air, Crusaders up in the air, 8 seconds left. Blue has one and 2 robots trying to get off the ground. 3 seconds left, and it looks like a triple climb for the Blue Alliance. The Red Alliance hanging on to the lead and taking that match with a high score of 239 points to the Blue Alliance's 220. Now we'll be back soon.